Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap have really good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here we search about the application of BikeMap and we click. In this page of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of BikeMap. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.